Welcome to an in-depth exploration of one of the most intriguing tales in the cryptocurrency universe, the story of Shiba Inu Coin. Often shrouded in whimsy yet marked by surprising financial maneuvers, this digital asset has sparked debates and discussions among novices and veterans alike. But what lies beneath its meme-coated exterior? Is Shiba Inu a fleeting internet joke or a crypto asset with genuine potential? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the essence of Shiba Inu, its impact on the market, and its possible future trajectory. And hey, as we unravel the mysteries of SHIB Inu, why not share your initial thoughts or experiences with Shiba Inu in the comments below? Have you ever traded SHIB Inu, or are you watching from the sidelines? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It will really help the channel. Let's get the conversation going. In the vast and volatile world of cryptocurrency, few stories are as captivating as that of Shiba Inu. Launched in August 2020 by an enigmatic figure known only as Ryoshi, SHIB Inu was initially perceived as a playful spin-off of Dogecoin, another meme-based cryptocurrency. But what sets Shiba Inu apart in the crowded crypto space? At its core, SHIB Inu is an Ethereum-based ERC token, offering more versatility and integration possibilities than Dogecoin, which is based on the Litecoin blockchain. From its inception, Shiba Inu has been more than just a digital currency. It's a social phenomenon, powered by a dedicated community known as the SHIB Inu Army. This vibrant collective has propelled the coin from obscurity to a prominent place in the crypto conversation. But what fuels this fervent support? Is it the allure of quick gains, or is there a deeper connection to the coin's underdog narrative? Shiba Inu transcends its meme coin origins by developing a multifaceted ecosystem, adding layers of utility that extend far beyond internet humor. ShibaSwap. This decentralized exchange isn't just a platform for trading SHIB Inu. It's a cornerstone of the coin's ecosystem, facilitating liquidity, staking, and swapping of various tokens within the Shiba universe. LEASH and Bone. These tokens complement SHIB Inu, serving governance roles and offering rewards within the ShibaSwap ecosystem. Their integration provides a level of complexity and utility unusual for a coin born from a meme. The Shiba Incubator. Beyond finance, the Shiba Inu ecosystem nurtures creativity, supporting artists and creators within the community, thus fostering a rich cultural backdrop to the coin. Shiboshi NFTs. Shiba Inu's foray into the burgeoning NFT market with its Shiboshi tokens adds a collectible and speculative element, further diversifying its appeal. For those new to crypto, terms like decentralized exchange or NFT might seem daunting. Simply put, a decentralized exchange allows for direct peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transactions to occur online securely and without the need for an intermediary. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, represent ownership of unique digital items and assets, making them collectible and often valuable. Shiba Inu's journey has been marked by meteoric rises, fueled by social media buzz and celebrity mentions. But what drives these surges? Is it the coin's inherent value, or merely the whims of market sentiment? Despite its successes, Shiba Inu faces significant hurdles. Like many cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu is prone to rapid price changes, making it a risky investment. With new tokens constantly entering the scene, maintaining momentum and relevance is an ongoing battle for Shiba Inu. The meme coin label can be a double-edged sword, attracting speculative interest but deterring more conservative investors seeking long-term value. As we gaze into the crystal ball, the path for Shiba Inu is laden with potential yet fraught with uncertainty. Adoption is key for Shiba Inu to transcend its meme coin status. Broader adoption in real-world transactions and partnerships is crucial. Continued innovation and expansion of the Shiba ecosystem could solidify its place in the crypto market. The evolving regulatory landscape and market dynamics will undoubtedly influence Shiba Inu's journey. As we conclude our exploration of Shiba Inu, it's clear that this is a coin with many faces. From its meme-infused origins to its aspirations of becoming a staple in the crypto ecosystem, Shiba Inu challenges us to reconsider the boundaries between serious investment and internet culture. Whether you're drawn to its community spirit, intrigued by its market movements, or simply amused by its canine mascot, Shiba Inu embodies the dynamic and unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency world. And now, over to you, my viewers. What's your take on Shiba Inu's future? Do you see it as a fleeting fad or a fixture in the crypto landscape? Share your thoughts, predictions, and questions in the comments below. Let's keep the dialogue going and navigate the fascinating world of cryptocurrency together. Remember to subscribe, like, share and hot the notification bell.